Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to this vlog. You guys, the weather is very hot. Like when I mean hot, it's as if they opened the gate of air fryer and somebody forgot to lock it. Italy is been so hot, especially my place of residence, because we live around the rocky area. Sometimes it's even bringing out smoke and fire because of how hot it is. So we decided to go to the swimming pool. I don't know, for you guys, which do you prefer, swimming pool or beach? For me, it's swimming pool because the beach contain salt water, so I don't really go to the beach. I only go there for picture's sake and to take a walk, but to bathe, I really do not like that water. Several times it has peeled my skin. Just before we entered the swimming pool, we needed to prepare ourselves. We inflate the swim guard. Is it swim guard or water guard? I don't really know. And also apply sunscreen on our skin, especially for the kids, because of the sun. You can see how sunny it is, and without sunscreen your skin is going to burn. We even saw a lot of people with burnt skin at the swimming pool. Like maybe they were under the sun for a very long time. I really cannot place it, but their skin were so burnt. You guys, yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I tried making this voice over several times, but my noisy neighbor almost finished me. They kept making noise. Please ignore any background sound. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. You guys, I've not spoken to you guys for a while now. Reason because the work they are doing close to my house is telling on me. You guys, it's very difficult to talk to you guys because of the noise. I was forced to ask these people, when are you guys going to finish doing this work? They said maybe in 6 months time. I'm like, 6 months? That means I'll have to be vlogging anyhow I can, because it's just difficult to communicate when they are making that noise. Anyways, today they are making the noise quite far away from my doorstep, because before it's just by my window side. They are breaking the concrete, so you know that sound that it makes. Just keep quiet, stop making that noise. So that's it though. This morning I want to quickly prepare black soup with banga. So the scent leaf I bought the other day, so I just finished blending it. I blended it with scotch bonnet pepper and onion. I want to add it to banga, so that's what I want to prepare. And I'm preparing this very early in the morning before the sun sets. Anyway, the sun has even started setting in already, and I want to be done in this kitchen before the sun will really come out. If not, I cannot cook inside this kitchen. It has made cooking difficult for me because the weather is very hot. We've been saying summer don't want to come this year, summer don't want to come this year. Summer is here now. I not see my talk with my eyes. So cook in the kitchen is not difficult, because once you on the gas cooker, everywhere will be so hot. I've not even been on my oven all this way. It's just my air fryer I'm using. So it was even yesterday evening I prepared the fish I want to use today. I just put it in the air fryer and went inside to go and cool off. So now I'm cooking. I've started sweating already. Because of this video, I turned off the fan in the kitchen, so now I'm even sweating. This is what I've been up to. I cannot even carry you guys along much, but I'll just show you some few things, because I know it's going to be mission impossible. Because I'll be going to the room to go and sit and cool off, because this kitchen, I cannot survive here. It's very hot, you guys. Very hot. This summer, it came with a lot. guys, it's it's about to look like my birthday, or rather it's my birthday in a week time. But who feels unmotivated? Me. Who feel tired? Me. Who is not even interested? Me. You guys, I don't know, whenever I give birth, just like when I gave birth to Jasmine, my birthday for that year, I felt so like all motivated, tired. I couldn't do anything. To even plan a shoot, I couldn't plan a proper shoot. This year again, I had Diana. The same thing is happening to me again. My birthday is coming up in a week time, and I couldn't even buy clothes for myself, hair, shoes, nothing. My sister has been on my neck that I must do a photo shoot though, that she's expecting my photo shoot picture. So I just did last minute shopping. I went to my favorite store. The outfit I wore in 2020 for my birthday, I got it from these people. The name of the brand is Tallywage, and they said top quality, you guys. Yes, their outfits is top quality. You will wear and wear and wear. You even use your hand to trace it because they have nice wears. So I just like went there with hubby this morning. Although we went for something else, I want to check my documents and the other Diana's documents. I know I've not even said much about that, but that's one of the reasons for this video. And it's just in that area, so I decided to just pick some items for myself for my birthday. You guys are going to be seeing the outfits on my birthday. So Diana turned 6 months old today. She's here. Yeah, Diana, see. You guys, help me ask Diana, where is her hair? When I gave birth to this girl, she has a lot of hair. I don't know what happened. Diana, can you tell me what happened to your hair? I don't know what happened. Diana, anyone I say I go play to, I go play to anyone I see. See, they don't do small thing for my head. So my baby girl is 6 months old. You guys, if I tell you the outfit Diana is wearing now, she's wearing big outfits. This girl is so grown. Like, whenever I tell people she's preterm, they'll be like, she doesn't look it. Honestly, she doesn't look it. She's just growing rapidly. Her height, weight. You guys, this girl is growing. By the end of this month, we'll check our current weight. I just said let me talk to you guys that my birthday is coming up, but I really do not know what to do. I will try my possible best to do photo shoot and just make it lively. Why is like that? My new body is always stressing me out until I will not lose some kg. Although I've started doing some little diets, but because I'm breastfeeding, I'm not really it's so intense in it. But one thing I'm trying to do is that 10,000 steps. I'm trying my possible best to like achieve it every day, but I've not gotten there yet. The maximum I've been able to achieve a day is 7,000 steps. So I want to reduce because I've added so much weight, and it's really like it's getting to me. For a person like me that is so tiny and skinny. So yeah. Diana, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Did I tell you guys that we changed Diana's milk? She's no longer using her normal nan milk. She's not taking that powder milk I showed you guys that time. Maybe I'll just put a picture. That's what she's taking now, although our doctor said that she will take that other one till she's 7 months, but we just had to change because the weather is very hot and that liquid milk do spoil almost immediately. Teacher, Mama, why are you looking at me? You have to tell them something. Yeah. You guys, the diapers they gave us, when I gave birth to Diana, do you know the diaper has just finished? We just recently bought diapers for Diana after almost, is it 5 months of not buying diapers? Thanks to all the gifters, because they really did a thing for us. Anyways, I'll see you guys as this vlog progresses. You guys, I made delicious moi moi this morning. It's so yummy. I don't have moi moi pouch and I don't like using those, is it can? Is it tin tomato container? I don't really like it, so I just decided to use my cellophane, nylon, whatever. Next time I'm going to buy that pouch. My sister said they sell it in Preterm, so I'll get it. This momo, oh god, it's so yummy. I couldn't, oh, my microphone is at the back. I couldn't take you guys along when I was doing it this morning because I was in haste, and if I want to eat it another day, I'm going to open it for you guys to see the content inside. I want to go and put it inside the freezer because I'm about to do an unboxing for you guys. So I will show you guys anytime I want to eat it again, maybe tomorrow. Then I'll do a proper video. It's so yummy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to do an unboxing. Finally, before my birthday, I said even if I don't do anything for my birthday, at least let me get a good microphone. And here we are. The microphone came since afternoon, sorry, not morning. But my neighbors have been making noise from their window because their window is opposite me here, and I couldn't do the unboxing. So the packaging came a bit broken, and I don't know why this one is outside the box. It was just inside like this with this one. So I just opened it and I bought a new microphone. This is my 4th microphone, you guys. Finally, I have somewhat courage to just buy a good microphone. Hopefully is what I ordered, because the amount of money I spent on this microphone is a lot. I've not even recovered. You guys know I recently bought this one, I think around November or December, but I'm using that one for my phone. Why this one? I just bought it for my camera. I can use it for camera, phone, and what is it called? Computer. See. This is the microphone. Let's open it. God, I don't want to buy anything I'm going to return, because this one is expensive. Yes, it's expensive. I just wanted to tick this off my bucket list. The name is Comica. Okay. I don't know what these cards are. I'm going to see that later. Then hopefully is what I want. I should be good. So let's open. Ta-da! Chelsea is laughing. You guys, I don't know what this is. I think this is a transmitter. It's 2. You guys cannot even see what I am doing. It's 2, and this one. Can you guys see it? So let me just be showing you. This will be the charger, definitely. This will definitely be the charger. And I'm coming. On this one, I don't know. Okay. Maybe the windshield. Is it windshield they call it? Maybe. Yes. Yes. The windshield. I don't know if it's here or here, but I'll figure that out later. For now, let me just do the unboxing. I don't know what all of this are yet. I'll have to check the manner. So when I'm done checking all of this, I'm going to insert the microphone on my camera and check the sound, and I'm going to charge it as well. So let me do all of this off camera, so maybe later today or tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be possible today because it's already late, so maybe tomorrow I will do a proper check on my camera. So guys, I just switched on the microphone and I found out that it has battery in it, and I decided to just test it. So now I switched one of the receiver, because the transmitter is up and the receiver is here. It's two receivers, so if I'm talking, you know, my husband now, if I'm doing video with my husband, he doesn't speak like very loud. So maybe if I'm doing video with my husband, I'll give him this one, then I will insert this one. So now this one is switched off and this one is switched on, so I'm talking with this one. So now let me on this one. So this one is on. Say hello.
Hello.
So the two of them is on now, and you guys, I'm doing testing microphone. Oh God, I don't want to rebuy microphone again. This is the fourth microphone. This one, two. This one is the fourth microphone I got. Two. Another one is up there, and this is the fourth one. So the amount of money I spent buying just this microphone is more than the amount of money I used in buying the whole 3 microphones I have before. So this one is very expensive, you guys. A good microphone is very expensive. So I sacrificed my money for this, and I'm hopeful, I'm prayerful that when I'm trying to listen to what I'm testing, it should be exactly what I want. Hopefully. I'm going to the next room. So I'm inside the next room. I want to see if the sound will still be audible or it will be picking noise. And my neighbors are making noise. I want to see if my neighbors' noise will come inside. Let's see. Do scatter. Mama did.
Hello.
So let me test though.